The company was kind enough to send me these embroidery sets. Let's open these up together. It includes the hoops. Whoops, I'm dropping everything. Here we go. Look at this. There's a living room with plants. Oh, here's another room with plants. I see a theme going on here. Oh, you get little scissors. And everything you need is in each kit, and there are instructions. You also get hoops for each project. These are plastic hoops, but they do look like wood. And then the third, oh, we have 4 kits. Here is like an outdoor area with plants. These are really, really pretty, very classy looking. And here's another like a porch area with plants. Drop 2 things. There's a little seam ripper here, so in case you need to rip anything out. And then this is really difficult to see, but there is a needle threader. Let's open one of these up together. Let's see if I can find where it opens. Uh-oh, might be sealed up. Nope, here it is. Okay, I want to see how this tells you the instructions and the different stitches, it looks like, but I wanted to see how the kit actually looks. Okay, so you get a full color picture of the finished project. This tells you what type of stitch you're doing in each part, and it tells you how many strands to use and the color of the thread. Here is all the thread, and there is a card in here. Oh, it's already carded. Oh, very nice. So it is already carded, so it's color coded and everything. Very nice. And let's look at the canvas. Ooh, here are 3 needles. And then there's the canvas. And this is cute. This is very cute. Oops, I've got it upside down. But these are going to be really cool projects. I have not done embroidery or any needlework for quite a while, but this is a really cool little project to get me started again.